Oh, you're going to notice here over the next several weeks, I have a visitor in the Weather Center. In fact, as we take a look, this is a rooster, a big one too. In fact, a 6-foot tall sculpture. Now, this is all related to the Canfield Fair, and the beautiful part about this rooster, it's made out of all seeds. And as we get in closer, you can actually see it looks like oats, corn. It looks like some other beans in here, back to sunflower seeds possibly here as you make up the tail. It is beautiful. And as Jen goes from top to bottom on this, you can actually see some of these seeds. It's called Something to Grow About. Close to crow, but grow with a G, and it's designed by Dave Buell of Austintown and sponsored by WKBN Television. Now, this is part of the 175th Canfield Fair celebration, and of course, this will be at the fairgrounds eventually, but for now, this is our friend here in the Weather Center. So we're going to have some company for a while as we make our way through the summertime.